So, ready for tonight's meet. You guys clicked on the video, but first, gotta say what's up to some of the homies, my road dogs. We got one Jenny pulling up right now. Ooh, so here we go, man. We got Christian. Oh, he brought the fan bam with him. What up, everybody? What's up, dog? What's up, so we gonna figure out what's going on with this car real quick. Cut this clip. My homie Jay's on the way, so he gonna be pulling up any minute now. So we got my, oh, that's my neighbor. It's like battle of the SUVs and stuff, dude. This is my boy right here. The boy right, he gonna be rolling with me next time. He gonna get them things on him. Oh, we brought some people. Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, dog?
I know, I'm trying to get to one side.
My bad. Small complex. What's up, dog? Oh snap! Is that somebody? Is that one of y'all people?
That's the show.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see you. I guess there's a car meet at my house right now. Sorry to my neighbors. This is my boy though. Don't even trip. Hey, my bad. It's a little unexpected, man. I didn't expect these my homies to roll through, but next time when you get on them things, man, you gonna be rolling with us. You know what I mean? Got the squad with me. My boy Christian and my boy Jay right here with the Telluride.
Police reported ahead.
Oh, police reported ahead. You hear that? Waze app. Thank you very much. We taking it easy anyway. God dang, y'all see that? Even with a busted wastegate, he's still spitting flames, man. His wastegate just went out on the way up here, so he's not boosting right now. But y'all saw that, man. Stay tuned to the channel, man. I got some crazy flame content as soon as we get my boy's car right. God dang. People are afraid to even get close to him. Look at that. The lane that I'm in is funky too. But yeah, we gonna get to the meet, man. A little bit of traffic, but it's all good. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to KevRide82 TV, your positive car culture channel. Today, dude, we're out here, San Pedro, dude, checking out the KDM.driven meet. Dude, we're back out here, dude. Every single freaking KDM.driven meet as of late has been lit, so you guys do not want to miss out. Make sure you follow KDM.driven on Instagram. I'm gonna put it right here, dude. You guys, it's ridiculous. The turnout is already good. It just started, and there's a lot of cars pulling up right here. Got my Stinger homies or whatever. I got my squad right here. I got my homie Christian, carbon fiber Christian, crazy flame spitting freaking 2.0. You guys saw on the little bit of intro that I put in there. We got my boy Jay with his crazy Telluride back there. We're gonna get some closer looks at that, whatever. And he brought his other car, his Ford SHO, dude. So that is also gonna be on the channel in the future. But enough of all that, man. Let's go and jump into it and get started. All right, y'all, so I actually brought a light this time so we can actually see some of the cars or whatever. So, dude, we're gonna start off with my homies, the carbon fiber flame spitting Jenny Coupe. He's got carbon fiber all on the interior. If you guys have never seen this car before, dude, I got some content for you, man. Something on the way. He helped me actually do a couple installs on my car or whatever, my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. So, I just gotta edit it, dude. I got a new program, trying to get used to it and everything like that. So just be patient, people, be patient. All right, so let me try this from a different angle. My friends, my homie right here, Jay's.
I should have been like, oh, it's about that.
SHO, dude. You guys have seen these cars. You know, they're kind of scarce. Not a lot of people have them, whatever, but pretty cool. I like seeing it, you know what I mean? We're gonna get into more of that in another video, whatever, see what it do. I've always been curious about these cars. And then here's his baby, this ridiculous thing. I gotta back up just to get this thing all the way in frame. The Kia Telluride. So the cool thing about this right here, as I mentioned in some of my other videos, is the thing actually has a 3.8 liter V6, the same as the Genesis Coupe. It's just turned in a different just turned a different way or whatever. But yeah, we'll check out that car in another video also. But yeah, he's always I told you guys, I actually went to the Origins meet and he picked me up in this bad boy right here. We was rolling in the street, so it was a fun night, and I was glad I didn't take my Genesis Coupe that night, because it was a lot of cops and a lot of crazy shenanigans. You got to check out that vlog though. And oh yeah, sir, we got it official right there. There you go, dog.
What's up, Kevlar?
Streets Finest in the house, dog. What's up, man? Yeah, sir, Streets Finest. There you go, dog.
Yes, sir.
That's my dog right there. Check out his merch line. And she walks in front of the camera again. I'm messing with y'all. Y'all can walk wherever y'all want. Ooh-wee. We got. I already know who this is. Bagged out. Max Sensation over here. You know what it is. I be catching this guy every freaking time. What's up? It's the first time I actually seen you in person.
Really?
I see your car, and I'm just like, I walk past you, but I never even, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
but it's nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir, man. Nice, nice. So yeah, this guy over here representing. Yes, sir. But yeah, I've seen this one before. OnlyFans. Is it yours? Where's the owner at? Oh, right here. I look to the right instead of the left. What's up?
That's me.
I like it, Jenny. I see you
Thank
out there.
you.
I see you on IG. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Yeah, I try to represent for the Genesis Coupe community. Kevlar 82. I'll holler at you in a minute, but I like what you're doing. Give you some love. Hey, is that really your OnlyFans?
Yes.
Because I know there's a lot of thirsty dudes out there who's gonna be trying to get up.
Oh
in there,
yeah,
so,
it is.
Yes, sir. Yep. So y'all heard it, man. You got an OnlyFans. Y'all be thirsty, man. But yeah, there you go. Give her some love real quick. Having some fun. I usually see people's cars like at different shows and stuff, but I rarely get to see the owners, so it's nice to get to meet the owners. So yeah, we got a nice setup over here on this. Jesus Christ, man, it's nice, man. I don't know why I'm feeling it so much, man. What y'all think, man? Y'all comment down below y'all favorite car. Ooh, we got Ginger Ninja over here. Look at this guy, just nicely wrapped. He went from black to a satin black, looking good. What's up, buddy? I'm gonna poke you. He's on the phone. Yeah, he's on the phone, man. But check him out, dude, right there. Give him a follow. Cool cat. And then we got Streets Finest CEO over there. You know what I mean? It's all love. It's all love. That's how we get down, man. Positive car culture, man. Who this in a Jenny? Who this? Try not to blind people or whatever. Show them some love. Yes, sir. Maybe I should have been parked on this line. We got the Genesis Coupe line over here. Let me show y'all. So we're gonna go through and check out each one of these Jennies. So as he parks his, work in progress, wide body, getting done. Another one, complete project. Yes, sir. No, it's all good. You still get some love. All right, so we got mostly stock, but you know what I mean? You know what it is. And then this brings back a lot of memories. This is how my car used to look with the silver accents and everything like that. Blacked it out with Plasti Dip. Oh my God, he used Plasti Dip. It still lasted me for like 4 years. But yeah, check them out, check them out. Got a different color on the stocks. Yes, sir. Give everybody some love. What's up, dog? How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Good, good. Good to see you, man. I see you. I was like, the first car I saw was yours or whatever. It just sits out like that. We got our spec Randy. Give him some love. Say what's up to the vlog. You already know what it is. Yeah, I see you, man. Hey, I see you hanging around with all the big dogs and everything like that. I see you hanging out with Tyler and Cruising by Design. This fool be representing for his homies. I see him in the vlogs.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, sir. But yeah, we gonna try to get a decent shot. It's like it's dark. I'm trying to get these angles, man. Try to get these angles, but I'm just gonna put a picture of his car in the daytime so we can actually see just how ridiculous it is. You know what I mean? So all love, man.
Oh yeah.
Keep it going, dog. All right. So yeah, I had to Show him some love real quick. Sorry, it's a little bit dark or whatever, but it is what it is, you know. And then walk on down the line, more Jennies. A couple of these, it's just the dark ain't gonna do it justice, man. I'm gonna tell you right now. And then another one of the homies right here, the Ragnarok freaking Genesis coupe, man. This thing is crazy. Try to get some angles for you guys. I might have to just put up some pictures, dude. There we go. This one deserves a daytime picture, so we'll go ahead and put that picture in there. You're welcome, homie. Give you some love. He was actually at Rap Legacy getting some was it PPF, paint protection film, done on his front end, I believe. So yeah, that's where you guys seen this one before. Oh, who this? Who this? You know, I was showing them love. Look at that, man. Look at the way that looks. It's one of the homies right here. Oh, there we go. Thanks for the light.
Oh, my bad.
No, it's good. I need that. I'm just trying to get these shots. But yeah, check it out right there. Bam. Put his Instagram down below, dude. And you know what it is. Check this out. None other but the best. Street Flow Arrow. You guys already know, dude. So make sure you get a homie some follow. Give him a follow. United Velocers representing. I say what's up to him if I see him. He's around here somewhere. I already know who this is. We got Michelle in the house. Flossing and everybody. You already know she got the Lambo doors. I don't even see nobody. I'm gonna bump into him in a minute. Got Sunny V right here. I love the color in her car, man. It's crazy. Look at that. Let's see if I can get that glimmer. Man. It's kind of hard to get in the nighttime, but you guys might have seen a little bit of glimmer. All right, so what we got, homie? What you got to show me?
Something's wrong with my back tires, bro. Go check it out.
Something wrong with your back tires, bro. What, this one right here? That's not bald. Hold on, wait. Here we go. Get that gimbal in there. What we got? Oh, I see a T. I see a O. This has a Toyo? This fool, man, he ready to rip it on y'all. Oh, proxies R. What does that mean? Does that mean you have grip now?
I think they're all season, bro.
He's over here with bald tires. But yeah, Toyo Proxy R's, man. Jesus Christ, bro. I already know this thing probably rips, dude. Yeah, so we gotta get this S2000 some love, man. I feel you.
Oh, you want to be yeah, so that's what I want to like.
I think I've seen this before.
Yeah.
Check it out. Bam. Turn that light. That light was way too bright. There we go. Bam. Got the drum seats. Yes, sir. I'm digging it, bro. I like it.
Appreciate it.
What's your name, brother?
Cuffyo.
You got an IG?
Oh yeah. It's Cuffyo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. It's all love.
C-U-F-F-Y-O.
All right, got it, man. Show you some love, man. You heading out or what?
Yeah, there's another meet. We're gonna go to this Catella meet.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got Haberdashery over here. Check it out. You guys know what it is. Check out his setup. Try to get these angles for the homie. If you guys have seen, follow his Instagram. That fool be posting some funny stuff, dude. Legit. You gotta be telling him, dog. He be posting some funny stuff, dog. But yeah, give him some love, real quick. Yes, sir. What up, man? I saw your car, but I didn't see you at first. I was like, where did he go?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
I'm good, man. Hey, we gonna get it in with that Integra. That Ute. What do you call it? What do you call it?
I don't know, bro.
I just call it a Ute because people kind of might understand it. Yeah. It's like an El Camino for y'all that don't know. Little, you know what I mean? Integra truck.
I have it, hopefully by my birthday next Wednesday. So
next Monday.
Next Wednesday. Bro.
Holla at me, man. We gonna get it in. It's gonna be. I'm hype. All right, bro. Drive safe, man. I'll catch you later. So yeah, that's the daily right here. But yeah, dude, we got some fire content on the way.
I'm gonna get that.
This fool already got a little small crowd over here. Everybody want to say what's up to. You know what I mean? They don't do that to me when I roll up,
Yeah,
dog.
not me.
Come on,
What the heck?
I need to step my game up. So it's one thing about this man right here is he motivates me, man. Every time I see this fool, he pulls up to my crib with another mod. I'm like, Jesus Christ, dog. Hey, I trying to keep up with them, you know, but that's good. You got to have people around you that motivate you to do better and keep it going. I got mods in the car. I just need to put out the content. But yeah, look at that. Bam! He get the bright light. Look at that. Sheesh. My favorites is these right here. I like these. What y'all think? Turn that light down a little bit. There we go. Bam. Oh, we got to say what's up to homie right here, Fonz. What's up, bro? Bam. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. I know, right? Work of art, right? It's beautiful. All right, y'all. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can see, everybody's leaving. I'm gonna be all alone. Now I got my boy Christian with me. We about to roll out, man. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content, dude. I had so much fun talking to so many people. Oh man, dude, so many things coming in the future with some ridiculous cars. Got a chance to catch up with some homies I haven't seen in a very long time. So make sure you give everybody a follow. If I tagged them in the video, follow me on Instagram, Kevlar82. Hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, comment, all that good stuff. You know what to do. So just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.